Life gives you enough things to worry about, but your home doesn't have to be one of them. Meet Notion. Total home security from the inside out. Powered by a multifunctional smart home sensor, Notion system constantly monitors your home. From unwanted visitors to smoke alarms, freezing temperatures, expensive water leaks, even if you left the garage door open, Notion has you covered, giving you real-time notifications no matter where you are, so you can protect what you love and have peace of mind while doing it. Setup is easy and takes less than 15 minutes, and the uses of Notion sensors are endless. You can customize your system to fit your lifestyle. From break-ins to broken pipes, it's never been easier to protect what you want when you want. No professional installation. Notion. Total home security. Let us help protect your home wherever you are. Get Notion today. Expand the protection of your home with Notion Pro 24/7 professional monitoring. You can arm your sensors with the tap of a button. From break-ins to broken pipes, it's never been easier to protect what you want when you want. No professional installation, no contract, and you can cancel anytime. Notion Pro isn't just changing the way you protect your home, it's changing the way you manage emergency situations. Text and speak with live certified dispatchers. Add managers so everyone in your family can stay in the loop. Plus, insurance providers know the value of having smart home protection. That's why most providers offer discounts for having smart home tech and home security. Notion. Total home security.
Your home is the center of your life. It's where you sleep, it's where your family lives, and it's where you feel safe. You deserve to know what's happening even when you're not there. You deserve home intelligence. This is Notion, a small, extremely smart, multi-function sensor that can be placed anywhere in your home that allows you to be home even when you're not. Notion knows about all kinds of things, like when you're almost out of propane before a summer barbecue, or when you forget to close your garage door when you leave for work. It knows if a liquor cabinet or gun safe is opened by a child, or if there's a water leak while you're on vacation. It can also tell you simple things like when a door opens, a window breaks, or a smoke alarm goes off. Gone are the days of needing different types of sensors for different applications, and gone are the days of simple security systems that can't help protect you and your family from things beyond break-ins and fires. Each Notion sensor can detect acceleration, moisture, sound, temperature, light, orientation, natural frequency, and proximity. We put so many things in each sensor to make it as easy as possible for people to use our technology. Once you open the box, each Notion sensor recognizes light and automatically turns on. Pair the base station to your Wi-Fi, sync sensors using the mobile app, and start placing them around your home. They can easily be moved at any time if you discover better uses for them or if you move. Alerts are sent to your phone via text, email, or push notification. If you'd like, you can set up additional contacts like family members and neighbors that will be alerted if you aren't able to respond. Your system can be customized and learns about you over time to ensure you only receive information about important events.
Our team of hardware, software, and manufacturing experts have built many different home automation, sensor, and complex software applications. We recently manufactured our 4th near-final version of our hardware and are already doing tests with early users. For our developer community, we have a set of APIs allowing anyone to connect other devices to our system, or to build new and interesting mobile and web apps that leverage Notion's technology and data. Notion gets even smarter with integration with weather platforms, calendars, and other smart devices.
You deserve to be aware of what's happening in your home and with your family. We're asking for your help to make this dream of home intelligence become a reality. Together with support and guidance from the Kickstarter community, Notion will allow you to be home even when you're not.